The biggest limit with modern AI is that it still needs constant human direction. Even the most advanced AI systems today usually sit and wait until a person gives them a specific command. Most interactions follow the same basic pattern. You type a prompt, the model gives you an answer, and then everything stops. From there, the user has to read the response, figure out what should happen next, and write another prompt. This is the prompt and answer loop. As this shows, the human is responsible for managing every step. That turns the user into the project manager, which limits how much the AI can actually get done on its own. For AI to become truly useful as an automation tool, it needs to move forward without a human controlling every single step. As long as the user has to trigger each action one by one, the AI is still more of a passive tool than an active assistant. Solving this problem requires a shift toward delegated execution. This means the human gives the AI a high-level goal, and the AI handles the smaller steps needed to complete it. Instead of a straight-line process, the delegated action loop works more like a cycle. The agent plans, uses tools, checks its work, and keeps repeating that process until the final result is ready. This makes it possible for AI to handle multi-step tasks like reviewing financial documents or helping coordinate a digital product launch. But to run these kinds of ongoing loops, the AI needs a strong foundation built for continuous reasoning. Google developed the Gemini 3.5 Flash architecture to act as that engine for AI agent work. The model is multimodal, which means it can understand more than just text. It can work with code, images, audio, and video as part of its planning process. It can also handle a million token context window, giving it room to process much larger amounts of information. By combining broad understanding with the ability to work through multi-step plans, Gemini 3.5 Flash is designed to act more like a coordinator for digital work. This shifts AI from something that only retrieves information to something that can actually help carry out tasks. For a long time, AI development had a major trade-off. Models were usually either small and fast or large and very smart. Building a model that could do both was difficult. For AI agents, speed is extremely important. An agent may need to move through many steps to finish a task. If the model is slow, each step adds more delay, and complex background tasks become much less practical. The intelligence versus speed chart shows how Gemini 3.5 Flash tries to solve this problem. It aims to deliver high-level reasoning while still keeping the faster response times of the Flash tier. This allows it to work through more complex tasks without the usual slowdown. The model produces output 4 times faster than comparable frontier models, measured in output tokens per second. It is also priced for high-volume use at $1.50 per million input tokens. Caching is a major way to lower costs. Since AI agents often reuse the same system instructions across many steps, a 90% cache discount can bring the effective input price down to 15 cents per million tokens. This mix of strong reasoning, fast speed, and lower operating cost is what makes large-scale AI agents more practical for businesses. But giving an AI model the ability to run code, make changes, or modify digital assets in the background also creates a trust problem. Users need a way to confirm that the AI's actions match what they originally asked for. The system handles this by creating reviewable artifacts during the process. In other words, the AI does not just work silently in the background. It shows its reasoning, its plan, and the results of its actions before and after it makes changes. The agent starts by presenting a blueprint of the proposed changes, along with a clear task list. This gives the user a chance to review the plan before anything is implemented. During execution, the system can show file changes, patches, and visual walkthroughs to prove that the work was completed and tested in a safe sandbox environment. AI is most useful when intelligence is combined with transparency. These review steps help make sure that even when the AI is acting more independently, the human still has final oversight and control. Gemini 3.5 Flash is not just meant to work as a standalone chatbot. It is designed to be part of a larger software ecosystem. Its value comes not only from what it can do, but from how well it connects with the tools people already use every day. The model acts like a central operating layer that can connect across digital services. In search, it can power background information agents and generative interfaces. In Workspace, it supports Gemini Spark, a personal agent that can manage multi-step workflows across tools like Gmail and Docs. One example would be helping prepare tax documents by gathering and organizing relevant information. This means the old habit of opening a separate chat window to talk to an AI model may become less important over time. Instead, AI will increasingly be built directly into the tools people already use, working in the background to complete tasks on the user's behalf. AI development is also moving away from focusing only on benchmark scores or trivia-style tests. The more important question now is whether a model can reliably complete real tasks. That means planning, using tools, checking its own work, and making progress without constant human guidance. Gemini 3.5 Flash, along with the anti-gravity ecosystem, shows where the industry is heading. The focus is shifting toward AI systems that can plan, execute, and verify work across a user's digital environment. That is the bigger change. AI is no longer just about answering questions, it is becoming a system for getting work done.